today in this video, I'm actually gonna be doing shotgun only challenge. Now, this challenge is a lot harder than you think. On the slide game mode, it's a little bit easier. It's still pretty, really hard. I don't think you understand. You have to get so up close with people in battles, and I can't win a shotgun battle. If I have a shotgun and the other person doesn't have a shotgun, I can win all day. Other person has a shotgun, I have a shotgun. I will lose every single time. I don't understand what it is. I just can't win shotgun battles. I can't. So and then now you're telling me that I have to basically only use shotgun? This is hard, so, especially for me. And then again, I'm super good at the new slide game mode, so let's see what we can do. We're gonna drop lazy first game. By the way, I saw it in my last video. I'm sorry that there's that freaking annoying stupid, what's it called? The annoying little stupid watermark at the end, at the bottom of the screen. That'll probably change by Christmas, because for Christmas I'm probably gonna buy a capture card HD60s, and with that I'm probably gonna buy a pro editing software, you know. But first, let's take a moment to realize I don't have guns. Okay, shotgun. Move, freaking cat. Yo, move. Holy girl. My cat is retarded. Alright, let's go get the kills. Bro, freaking you, honestly. I defend my defense. Bro, frick you! Stop teaming on me, dude! Oh, because I'm the Mary Martin. Actually, bro, I'm freaking done. Everyone is teaming on me because I'm the freaking Mary Martyr, and my cat won't move the freak out of the way. It's just it's tough being a Mary Martyr because everyone's just gonna team on you, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, this guy's good. Let us team on him." I could have easily got 3 kills right there if they all fought me one by one, because all of them were defaults. It's just so yeah, whatever. I'm gonna get I hope to get a capture card HD60s. So with that, I'm gonna get an editing software, a good one that doesn't self-promote like stupid, like the stupid one I use. So yeah. But yeah, or I could just pay less and use the same editing software, but it just doesn't show the watermark. But I'd rather just pay for a better editing quality than just pay for no watermark. It's just no. And then I also want to try and get a better internet because my internet is doo-doo. That's why my Twitch streaming is so laggy. I want Ethernet, honestly. I don't have one because my parents have never been interested in buying me one, but getting it. But I'm gonna ask them if we can. Down for the horse. Oh, down. Little kid, eat my butt. I'm gonna retail this round, boys. Way off. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep grappler first since I'm doing shotgun. And I'll have my 4 shotguns after my grappler. I'm not gonna go to the main freaking doghouse. Oh, is that a shotgun? Frick, it's not. Abort plan. What is this? Oh, what was that, honestly? Give me a gun. And then I hear someone over here trying to rush me, but I can't get a gun. Mister, do you want to give me a gun? Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. I'm so glad that I just turned the corner and I got a shot. Ooh, minis. Okay, whoever's bouncing out there, your days are over. Bounce it. What the frick is your problem? Yeah, grapple up here. Grapple up here, boy. Bro. You gotta take things so seriously over here, bro. Bro. Guys, let's go for the back, ready? Boom. Come here, boy. Go for the best one. Oh, frick, no. Now I'm getting teamed on again. Bro, frick off. Oh. You're not getting me. Maybe you are. Oh. Oh my god, he might actually kill me. I will not break it. Combat Pro. That's why I lost that fight. That's exactly why I freaking lost that fight. This guy's at freaking 6 HP and he's a freaking no skin. Honestly, you might as well wear a no skin. I was rocking 30 HP or maybe even a little more the whole time. This kid had 100. I brought him down to 6 somehow. Honestly, might as well just wear a no skin. I'm actually so pissed about that, and it's only because, like, I'm such a bad build pro. Forget that. Forget that crap. Nope. 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 No. 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 I am not doing that. We can't do that, dude. Now, let's float. My dream is to become like Tifu or see that. Jonathan. Bro. Bro, freaking throw the bro, I clicked the snowball like 8-9 times and only 2 shots. Only 2 of them actually wanted to work. That's freaking scuffed. That is scuffed as, bro. Honestly. That's so garbage. That is so bull. It's only because it's me, because I bet if it was Ninja, the game would have let him do it. Oh, I got pumped. Freaking let me move, dude. But this game is so bad. Honestly, this game mode is so fun, but it's also so bad at the same time. Now, I'm going to grab the pump that I saw. Please don't tell me I already got it. Wait, it wasn't there. I saw somewhere else. I swear I saw a pump in one of these things. I'm gonna freaking go myself. Bro, no way I didn't pick up the shotgun. The one thing I actually need. No way I didn't pick them up. Can this game give me a gun? A gun. Thank you. Oh, pump. Oh, pump. Oh, pump. Oh, pump. I kicked. Are you sure about that? My man's was low. Thank you for the chug, though. Appreciate it. Bro. Bro, move! Bro, freaking move! Freaking move my ass! Oh, my freaking... Oh, dude, I just started playing no skin! That's why I hate this game mode! Dude, Vault Bots, they're probably the most annoying thing ever. They take no skill, just like this whole game does anymore. This game takes no skill whatsoever. This game Epic has made it to where there's so many guns that can spray and pray, and then they take out double. Like you want to do us a favor? Don't take out drum gun. Don't take out quad launcher. Take out freaking. Sorry, not quad launcher. Don't take out drum gun. Don't take out drum gun. Take out the freaking quad launcher. Take out freaking planes. Take out freaking turrets. Do these things that people actually care about. Not what you think that you can piss everybody off. Because that's all Epic knows how to do, is just piss everyone off. That's legit all Epic does, is piss everyone off. Makes everyone mad. So actually, if someone from Epic sees this, like, just freaking vote the things that people want to be voted. Like, don't vote what we don't want to be voted. I think you got a little twist there, bud. I think you got a little twist there, bud. You should vote what we want to vote, not what you want to vote. Stupid. Honestly. Retarded. And then they don't even make good items. Like, as if they make good items. Bro, I love how I get in the game and then like that's how bad my freaking internet is. To the point where I get in the game and immediately I'm just, bro, look at how many zip lines are. Also, take out zip lines. Zip lines are actually garbage. Like, yeah, they may be a safe way to travel, but like, let's be honest, no one really cares about them. How many times I've died by zip lines? And my question is just, why does Epic add things in the game and then they don't even make them good? Bro, actually, oh my god, I wish I could say every bad word in this freaking world, because that's how much this game pisses me off. This game is so garbage. Forget Shotgun.exe. This game is going to be called, the title of this video will be called, this game pisses me off so much. It hits the point where I rage over a freaking game. That's how mad this game makes me. Everyone sprays and freaking sprays. All they do is they're like, please God, let all these AR shots, please, please, please let all these AR shots miss. I mean hit, please, please, please. I know I'm tier 2, and I'm level 4, and my tears are from me leveling up, and I have 0 wins, but just let all these AR shots hit. Freaking done. It's honestly on my it's getting on my nerves, like, no joke. I actually want to kill myself. This is why I want to play with a friend. You know what? No. I'm done with this new game mode. For some reason, beginning of the day, I was good. Now, I'm a bot. Doesn't even work. Like, beginning of the day, I got 9 kill game, 10 kill game, and then a 14 kill game. Now, later night, I can't do crap. I cannot do anything. So, normal solos. I'm done with the game mode. my god. We're back because my cat is being a freaking little annoying little thing. Oh, freaking me, dude. It's because of my freaking annoying cat. She just has to be playing with the Christmas tree. So I go stop her, and then I can't even hit the snowball somewhere. Because I don't even like, I just do my challenge throughout the day. I don't do it right away because I have a whole day to finish it. No, this game wants to be a freaking little annoying thing and just doesn't want to let me do anything. What the hell did I just witness? Oh my freaking god. Honestly, I want to die. Bro, freaking kill me! Freaking kill me! Why are you guys teaming? Why the frick are you idiots teaming? Bro, honestly, kill me. And then I'm spectating a noob. Why do I spectate a noob? Oh my frick. Bro, oh my god. Whoever created this game, die in a fire. Die in a fire. Bro, can I spawn in early in the game maybe? Maybe so I could throw watch. We're gonna be on the bus. Bro. Oh my god, thank God. You know what? For the rest of the video, if I don't get a shotgun this game, I'm landing Loot Lake. Only because you can spot out things. Like everything, almost everything is just on a floor, so. Use that for distraction. There's actually someone over there. And I kind of want to kill him. Oh, okay. Alright, this is the perfect chance. Don't want to die this match because this is the first match first normal. Okay, guys. We see him. Let him sneak up on us. He's gonna walk out, guys, and then we're gonna get him. This man freaking knew where I was! As if this freaking Harry Potter knew where I was! How the frick did this guy just know where the frick I was? I actually want the freaking answer. Someone tell me how the frick this guy knew where I was. This man walked out as if he knew crap. He knew nothing. walked out, immediately built, can't even build with his garbo, and then one freaking pumps me. Why are you building this much against the default? It's a default, you retard. Don't have to go try hard mode in them too. What the frick was that nade? Honestly, tell me. This kid's actually scared of a default. This kid is scared of a default. This kid actually is shivering in his boots because of a default. Rushing, you freaking idiot. What is the point of going try on the default? I'm done. He just died by default. I can't tell if that guy's a default or not, but I know that I'm better than him. And I'm a bot, so yeah, probably a bot. Ugh. Alright, let's just try and get one good game in. One last good game, guys. We're gonna land somewhere populated, and we're gonna get so many kills, and have so much fun. Okay, I'm just gonna stay calm this round. I'm not even gonna rage, because there's no point in raging at a game that will never be fixed. Like, at this point, I don't understand, because the creators of Fortnite, like even the reporting system, I could report someone that has aimbot. Unless I'm streaming or I'm a popular streamer, they don't give a crap. They do not care whatsoever. Like, I could report someone for having aimbot. They have aimbot. They hit all headshots. It's confirmed they have aimbot. They won't do anything. They won't do a single thing. They'll sit on their butts and say, and just put a note. Who's awesome? You're awesome. Thank you for making Fortnite better. Don't even read it. But let me guess, if Ninja said aimbotting, banned like that. Banned like that. I think Epic Games has to cater more and not only care about popular streamers because they make their game popular. Because without half the popular streamers playing this game, Epic Games would not be as big as it is today. The reason it's so big is because of people like Ninja. God, frick. Hope for the best, guys. Nothing. Okay, tactical shotgun. Bro! Bro, what